Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to find missing App Store icon on iPhone. To find the missing App Store icon on iPhone, follow these easy steps. First, swipe down to use search. On the home screen, swipe down and type AppStore in the search bar. If it appears, tap to open it. Check if it's on the folder. Look through your app folders, for example, utilities or extras, where the App Store might be hidden. Check if it's on another home screen. Swipe left or right across your home screens to see if the App Store is on another page. Enable App Store in Screen Time Settings. Go to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, and tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. Then ensure installing apps is set to allow. Reset home screen layout. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset. Reset. Then reset home screen layout. This will restore all default app positions, including the App Store. Check if the App Store is hidden with Focus Mode. If you use Focus Mode, disable it by going to the Settings, then Focus, and turn it off any active mode. Restart your iPhone. Press hold the power button, then slide to power off. Turn it back on for a few seconds or by going to General and tap the shutdown option. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.